Hello, welcome to another tutorial on Autocad. Today I will show you the easiest way to use the hatch tool in Autocad. You can see I have structural concrete, the hatch. I have this column. You can see the hatch. What is the easiest way to hatch in Autocad? So just first go to activate hatch tool. Then let's say I want to hatch my column. Then I'll go to solid, then change the color. I want my color to be cyan. Then you can either pick internal points like that, which I don't like because as you can see, my laptop is somehow hanging. So if you pick a complicated shape, then the hanging will be even more complicated. Okay, so the best way for me is, let's say I pick uh, instead of selecting internal point, just select objects. Okay, you can see you can either pick internal point or select object. So make sure here is select object. Then let's say I pick I can pick a 131. So I've not selected any object. So I just need to pick the object. Now this time I'm not picking internal points. Close. I'm picking the object. So just pick this one. Okay. So this is the best way because even when the shape is complicated, just can see as easy as that. Let's say I want to hatch my beam, and I'll go to structural architectural concrete, and then select the object as easy as that as this. Let me escape the command. Okay, just activate the hatch, then select object, and I just pick the object. Close. So maybe the problem is I have not activated any way to select. You can see this one is turned off. All right, so I need to turn off. I need to turn this on. So this one was turned off. I need to turn it on. Make sure I can either pick midpoint, I can pick nearest, or any other way to pick object snap. So let me just again pick this one. At least one of my object need to be snapped so that I can pick it. So I want to pick this object here. So let me select object because this one now is internal point. So I need to pick select object. When you see select object, it means the one I'm using right now is pick internal points. You can see the command I'm using is pick internal point. That one is the one which hangs. So now I have to pick select objects. Now that I just need to pick that object. Now you can see the difference. You can see the difference. Maybe let me drag some objects here. Drag this object, drag that object, and drag this. I'll drag a copy them somewhere. Even there is okay. Okay, so now let me hatch by Now this time is I'm selecting object. Now I just need to select. You can see this one, the laptop is not hanging at all. So even if I select the entire of this, it will be hatched. Even if I select the entire of that, should be hatched. Okay, so I can just hatch, pick that, escape, again hatch, pick that, escape, hatch, pick that, escape, again hatch. Even if I want to hatch this, as long as there is an enclosed object, it will be hatched. So let me delete this one. And just pick that and delete. Now I can hatch now by let me go to the A31. Now just pick this. Okay, again it's A31, change, then escape. Thank you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel.